Hello, welcome to Telecom TV. I'm Martin Warwick and I'm talking with Mirko Voltolini from Colt Network Services. Mirko, thanks for talking to us. We're going to be looking at the monetization of SDN and NFV. Now let's start by asking this. How do you think an operator should go about deploying SDN and NFV to deliver the very best return on investment?
Okay, so I think we need to look at services which are easy to implement in first place, like virtual security services, virtual firewalls, virtual load balancers, which complement easily IT applications. Today customers buy compute on demand and storage on demand, and so they need network capabilities that complement those services.
So are there different approaches for delivering return on investment in the short, medium and the long term?
Yeah, so I think we need to look at different consumptions model. We're moving away from a pure model that we have today, where customers pay on a monthly basis a fixed charge, but more of a consumption-based model, which again is more typical from the IT space, where depending on the type of consumption, the customer pays different amount.
And what do you think results in the best OPEX and CAPEX returns?
What I think is very compelling is to share the environment that we use for internal use and to deliver services. If we can maximize utilization through internal consumption and customer consumption, then we can get the maximum return on the infrastructure we deploy.
What risks are there in deploying SDN and NFV?
Primarily is the maturity of the technology. It's not yet reached full maturity. Many solutions are just available, so we need to look at aspects like reliability and security, which needs to be addressed.
We've talked about the risks. How can they be mitigated?
We need to take some of those risks, otherwise we'll have to wait too long to implement these capabilities. At the same time, our experience in building scalable carrier networks can be used to drive definition of the standards and the approaches from the vendor.
Mirko Voltolini, thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome.